Hello and welcome back to our channel Maha Uma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video.
Today I am going to make apple kheer. The first thing, peel the skin of the apple and grate it. The grated apples are ready. Make sure don't rest for a long time, otherwise it turns brown. Heat a pan with 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add cashew nuts and saute well until it gets golden brown. Once cashew turn golden brown, add some raisins and saute well. Now the nuts are turned golden brown. Transfer into another bowl and keep it aside. In same pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee, then grated apples, saute well until it becomes soft. After 5 minutes, all the water is evaporated and the apple is cooked well. Then switch off the flame and cool it completely. Heat a saucepan, add 2 cups of milk, then start to boil. Once the milk got boiling, add half cup sugar and cook until the sugar dissolves in the milk. In between, take 1 teaspoon of custard powder in a mixing bowl, add some milk and whisk well without any lumps. Then add mixed custard powder mixture into milk. Whisk well without any lumps and cook until it becomes thick. After 7 minutes, you can see the milk become thick. Switch off the flame, add some cardamom powder, mix well and cool down. Before adding the apples, the milk has to get cooled down completely, otherwise there are chances of milk to curdle. After the milk cool down completely, then add cooked apples, then some fried nuts, mix all together. Now the apples and nuts mixed well with the milk. After mixing well, transfer to bowl and refrigerate for 30 minutes or until it gets chill. Then you can serve. After 30 minutes, the healthy and creamy apple kheer is ready.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.